chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who.
Hi everyone, how are you? I really hope you all are absolutely fit and fine. So in a few days back, I was just checking my Instagram and then I just found these pictures of Hina Khan, and trust me guys, I really love this classic smoky eyes. So in my today's video, I'm going to recreate this classic smoky eye look inspired by Hina Khan. But I don't have the exact jewelries and the attires at all. So I'm just decided to recreate the makeup look only. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching till the end, and if you love this video, then please let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, without further any more delaying, let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to use a primer, and for the primer, I have taken the Wet n Wild Photo Focus UV Luminex primer. Next, to hide all the pigmentations and the acne marks, I'm gonna apply a concealer, and for the concealer I have taken the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. In my previous video, I have promised कि मैं Olivia pan sticks से और भी ज़्यादा videos बनाऊंगी. So for today, for foundation, I have taken the Olivia pan stick and I'm in the shade 03 Natural. Now for drawing and filling my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Lakme eyebrow pencil in the shade black. Now for setting my base makeup, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade Shell. Now for creating the smoky look, I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black. Now for smoking out the kajal, I'm going to smudging it with a pencil brush. Next, I'm going to deposit this maroonish plum shade from the Makeup Revolution palette on the top of my kajal and blending it very well. Next, I'm going to apply this black shade on my upper eyelids along with my upper lash line. Next, I'm just tight lining my upper and lower waterline with the same kajal. Next, once again, I will go for the same maroonish plum shade and I'm gonna place it on my lower lash line and smudging my lower lash line a little bit. For the mascara, I have taken the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara and I'm in the shade Black. Next, for contouring my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I'm in the shade Caramel Toffee. For the blusher, I have taken Oriflame the Wand blusher in the shade Burnt Terracotta. Next, to add some glow on my face, I have taken the Wet n Wild Precious Petals Mega Glow Highlighter. Contouring मुझे थोड़ा सा कम लगा, so I'm gonna contour my face once again with the brown shade from this Makeup Revolution palette. For the lipstick, firstly I'm going to use the Alia 18 Colourpop matte lipstick in the shade Belgium Brown. On the top of it, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 01 Midtown Pink, and this is a nude brown shade, and this is also a new launch from the Maybelline Creamy Mattes range. Now, to add some ashy undertones to my lips, I'm going to deposit this ashy pink eyeshadow on the top of my lips. And that is the final finished look.